Subscribe now. Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus, 2018. India launches round the corner. What with Amazon setting up a dedicated page for the handset a day ago. Now, Samsung has sent invites for an event it will host next week in India, which the company is calling the year's first big innovation. This invite pretty much confirms the fact the Galaxy A8 Plus, 2018, launch event will be held on Wednesday, January 10th in New Delhi. The handset's USPs are the infinity display design, water and dust resistant body, and up to 6GB RAM. Going by the dedicated microsite, the upcoming model will be an Amazon exclusive in the country. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus, 2018, has a 6-inch Full HD Plus, 1080 by 2220 pixel, Super AMOLED display and the flagship infinity display design with 18.5 to 9 aspect ratio seen in last year's flagship smartphones. It is powered by an octa-core processor with two 2.2 GHz cores and 6 1.6 GHz cores. On the back of the smartphone is a 16-megapixel camera with f/1.7 aperture and depth, while the front features a dual camera setup with 16-megapixel and 8-megapixel sensors, both with f/1.9 aperture. The Android 7.1.1 Nougat-based smartphone comes in two configurations, 4GB RAM and 32GB inbuilt storage and 6GB RAM and 64GB inbuilt storage, and both support microSD cards of up to 256GB capacity. The 3500 mAh battery of the Galaxy A8 Plus, 2018, supports fast charging, and the connectivity options include Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/nac, Bluetooth 5.0 inlet, NFC, USB Type-C, GPS, and GLONASS. The smartphone measures 159.9 by 75.7 by 8.3 and weighs 191 grams. It also features MST for Samsung Pay-based mobile payments. Its smaller sibling Galaxy A8, 2018, is largely the same, but features a 5.6-inch display, 3000 mAh battery, and comes with only 4GB RAM. Its dimensions are 149.2 by 70.6 by 8.4 mm, and the weight is 172 grams.